Okay, so June 25th was my last stream. My God. I missed 3 days. Yeesh. Okay. You know, it's hard, right? You get into the habit of missing one stream and I think to yourself, oh, well, okay, I gotta miss another then. And then another, and then another, and then before you know it, you just missing all the streams all the time. And then the whole streak is ruined. That is my life. Hello, welcome today to me, to my life. Consistency is important, apparently. One of my phones is blowing up. Let's see which one it is. I don't know. Okay. Why am I lagging? Oh, because the shaders are compiling for fucking Telestis. Telestis. I got an ad. I got an ad. Yeah, welcome. Well, hello, my fellow gamers. Same. Oh my God, Mill, you came. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Thank you for the follow. Stop. Oh my God, what is up? Hello, my fellow gamers. Oh, you're gonna. Fuck. I wasn't prepared. I didn't actually think, and you would come. Oh my. Oh, this is so exciting. Hello. I work on this game. It has a finger. This is the kid named Finger, and it pushes this button right here, and the button goes, and it closes the door and kills you. You want to see it happen? Watch this. Well, let me first make sure I'm on streamer mode. I am now, and then I play the game. I play the fucking game, and then it's gonna go ching and kill you, and it's gonna be great. I haven't touched this game at all. Okay, here's what happened, right? I just had like mad momentum on like a work project I had to do, and so I made the executive decision to just focus on that instead of streaming for the day, which is kind of shit, right? Because the whole point of streaming is that I can like always have consistent progress done regardless of what I'm focused on for each day. But yeah, I don't know. Thank you. I didn't make it myself. I just ripped it from online. This game is gonna be filled with a bunch of sound effects I didn't make, because while I usually try to do all my modeling and I try to do I want to do all my music, hopefully, and of course all the coding. I think when it comes to sound effects, I think sound effects are so important for a comedy game that I'm gonna have to like really license out and like not license out, but like, you know, use a lot of third-party sound effects to achieve the hilarity I was thinking. I was streaming yesterday. Oh shit! Nice, Telestis. Oh fuck. What do you stream? Is it game dev? Oh no. Oh nice. Oh man, you don't got your broadcast saves? How could I ever know what shenanigans you were up to in the moment? What is the TV? Why is it no UI 3D now? Why are the characters walking? Okay, hold on. Okay, this is my Twitch stream interface. This is all of y'all. Here, I can give you head pats and if I go over here. Yeah, see, look at that. And then hello, Mill. I can pick you up. If you change your name, your color name in Twitch, it'll update your guy in here. Right now you're just white because you have no color assigned to you, even though you get like a randomly color assigned in Twitch. But you can set your name color in your Twitch settings somewhere. Don't ask me where, I don't know. And it'll update here. So that's cool. And you're behind the fence. Okay, by the way, kick now successfully works on fences. So if you kick the fence, it will break eventually. So there is the kick redeem. Yeah, see, it does damage and shit. And then also in low latency mode, so it should be way easier to hit than normal. So that's pretty good. We're making progress, thankfully, even though I missed a bunch of days. And there will be more breakable stuff in the future. Tomorrow is Meta Monday. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it for Meta Monday. I got a whole like road trip scheduled for Monday. It's weird. I'm gonna probably make a video about it. It's gonna be probably what you call it? Another edition of this episode 4, which is my long-running series that has been going on since what, 2018? On my second YouTube channel. Y'all don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. They changed the, yeah, oh yeah, you're goddish. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you. I do put a lot of work into my shaders. Yeah, no, thank you so much. Yeah, I'd be shading it up. Oh yeah, I guess the outlines are interesting. The outlines I didn't even mean to do. I was just fucking around with stencils in 4.5 for Godot. The stencils in Godot kind of suck, honestly, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm working on a comedic platformer. The idea is that like it tries to kill you in very hilarious ways. Like you hit the alarm and it's like, oh, you fucked up. Then you come over here and it prompts you for space, and you think, oh my god, you're gonna hit space, hit the button. But then you hit space and it makes you jump, and then you die, and it's a ha 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 funny. And then, yeah, I'm over polishing the shit out of this game. It doesn't need to have these like floor tiles that indicate where you've walked, but I put it in there. If you dodge lasers, this fucking hand comes like, actually you can't go there, and it pushes a button and closes the door, and it's timed just right so that if you just keep walking forward, you will die from the door crushing you. And so, how is that comedic? These guys are perfect for the what? Are perfect for those gory game of all time? What does that mean? This game is gory. You get crushed. Look at that. Look at them voxels like flying around. That's like the guts of my Robo character. Anyway, oh, here's what I did do off. Oh, fuck, I almost touched that laser. I made it so I could block the hand, and it's like way more responsive. Like you get like punched and knocked away, and then the hand falls down, and it uses like a custom math formula to determine the exact angle it needs to fall to hit the ground at that point, instead of using any physics at all. It's pretty hype. And then you walk through here, and a whole fucking, not just a boulder, it's a rock. A rock comes down and tries to crush you. And if you trigger the alarm, you get stuck right here, and you get crushed no matter what, and it's really funny. As I always say, this buddy is the best streamer of all time. Y'all are too nice. Y'all are way too fucking nice. It'd be like this. Oh, sorry, I missed your thing, Telessa. Yeah, software and game development. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back, fellow gamers. How do you do? So basically, I think I have everything I need to do in terms of coding done for this level. I just need to make them happen. So, this area is pretty solid. 40 seconds ads? Yeah, Twitch ads are kind of brutal. But I have them set to be as minimal as possible for my account with still making money. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate. Yeah, it blocks that, and then you run through. I kind of like how it pushes you. Like, you can build momentum using that if you're like a speedrun strat. I need something for this room right here, though. I need to have some stuff before the boulder. Some more lasers to challenge you, and then the boulder comes down. Because right now, you're always going to, you're always gonna be able to dodge that laser, and I don't really know what to do. Because I'm tired of doing the thing where this laser pops out. I can only want to do that once. And that only works when you're looking at the wall from this perspective. And you can see this tile is kind of like a little wonky and different. And it like moves down and reveals a laser. Maybe add a button for blocking the boulder. Maybe. I want the boulder to sort of move the player outside of here, though. Because once the player moves out this door, the hand that's fallen down onto the ground is gonna fucking perk back up and hit the button again when you try to walk out the second time, because that'd be really fucking funny. Oh, hey, Mill, you changed your name. Nice. Not your name, your fucking color. Orange. I don't know. Or a hole in the wall you can, so you can miss the boulder. No. I definitely need the boulder to chase you out back. So I can have the hand thing kill you a second time. Which would be really fucking funny. That would be so funny. How far can the hand go out, though? Would it be affected by... then I have to do more math, though, to figure out where the hand has to rotate. Oh my god, okay. Go under there, go up there. Like that's, see, you can get really close to the button already. So if you, I don't know. Aren't you glad I didn't say orange again? Thank you. No, yeah. I report Twitch users. I got boulder crushed. Okay. All right, gamers. All right, fellow gamers. It's time to like actually make progress instead of just sitting here and feeling glorious about our existing progress. Laser. I don't want to do progress though. I just want to sleep. I want to sleep today. I'm so eepy. Okay. Laser, can you get selected, please? Here you go. It is time to work. It is time to grind. Laser 2, so that's in area 2. I call this ball. It's pretty funny. Laser 2. A mirror. I don't even know what to do here. I need ideas. I was thinking maybe I'd do like a Resident Evil reference where lasers like come into a grid and try to hit you. That'd be really cool. How do I execute on that is the question though. Because it just comes in threes, right? Like the first laser comes down and you have to jump over it. Second laser comes down and then you have to go through that. And the third one, it will be a grid, but how would you even dodge that? See, that's the issue, right? I always come up with fun traps. I just don't know how the right way to fucking dodge them. Oh, Spanish exchange in chat. Let's go. Hype. Let's fucking go. I don't know. Yeah, I think I could probably do this. Do I make the laser just come out the wall? That's kind of lame. I need like an object to represent where the laser stems from, really. So I should probably model something. Let's go ahead and do that. So it'll come down from the sky and go bzzz and go come across. And then the second one will come across and it'll go bzzz. And then you'll think to yourself, oh, but it just triggers the alarm and that's not a big deal. And the boulder comes and that's really fucking funny. Do not translate what we're saying. Your self-esteem will hurt. Well, now I gotta translate it. Wait, no. I took 5 years of Spanish in high school. I should be able to figure this out. Me Nino. What the fuck? I failed that class. I had a D. I'll never forget. I was in Spanish class 5, 5th year, and the teacher's like, "All right, let's talk about your future in Spanish." And they open up their grading thing, and it's like, it lists me as a D, and I'm like, "There's no way you don't know that I didn't have a D. There's no way in your brain you forgot that I specifically have a D. I'm an iconic person, you know." There's no way you forgot that I am the D student of the class. Maybe it was pretty common. I remember they looked at the D and was like, "Oh, maybe I don't know." And I was like, "Yeah, I know. I don't know why I'm fucking taking Spanish. I just kind of forced into it sometimes." And well, I don't know. It was like the one-time experience where I felt like I had the experience of being a failing student. Because I never get to experience that. I've always been so perfect. I just can't help myself. You know what I fucking mean? I'm sorry. Anyway, I translated. I cry my child, I cry my son. What does that mean? What does that mean? See, now that I've like started translating, now you're just gonna keep talking in Spanish and then 5 years old and he doesn't know how to say that. What we said, big fat ball. What? What? It'd be like this. It'd be like this. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. On my own chat. What does this mean? What the hell does this mean? Delete that default Cuban will work. Okay, fine. Fine. I'm doing it not because he told me to, but because I wanted to. Outside of the cube. Back. I don't know what the fuck. What does the laser come out of? It comes out of like a device of some sort. What if it's a big device? What if this was massive? So it might need to be for the Resident Evil reference. I don't know. No, it's just let me look up the Resident Evil laser scene. Evil laser. Oh, here it is. You can just post that on YouTube? Yeah. I got an ad. Why are they adding me? Why would you add me? So, also they're green. I forgot about that. So it's one that comes up from the high. And then there's one on the floor that jumps high. And then the grid. Okay, I can do that. That'd be a fun, because the laser itself in the fucking Resident Evil movie is like a trolley laser. So it works with what I'm going for. So that's kind of hilarious, actually. What if the rock, instead of hitting you, it grows legs and kicks you? Y'all, I don't want to animate too much shit, okay? That sounds hilarious. But I don't want to animate that. Oh my god. No. No. What if it grows legs and hits you? That might be useful in a future level. Like I bring back the boulder and then it stands up and starts chasing you. That'd be funny. That'd be pretty funny. Okay. Yeah, right. Oh my god, what does a laser shooter look like? It's like a laser pointer, so it might be a cylinder? Yeah, I guess I'll make it a cylinder. If I need a way to like indicate that it's flying somehow. Do I really care? Am I really gonna care that much? I don't. But let's make a cylinder. Okay, cylinder. I forgot to update my title. What does my title say right now? Oh, okay, this is fine. This title's still appropriate. Let me update it. What is this gonna be titled? What is it? Did I already make a stream called I'm firing my laser? I had to have, right? I had to have. Have I not? I guess I haven't. Okay. This stream is called I'm a firing my laser. I have to take a major dump, that's why I'm late. I have to make a go line notification for next time. What? Okay, I'll do this later, but I always forget. That's why I don't know. Is this just a big ass fucking like 5-hour video I downloaded called Best Nintendo songs to vibe to, copyright free. So I don't know. I'm so sorry to say I cannot answer your question. This is gonna have, I don't know, like an, oh, I didn't mean to extrude like that. I need to scale. I need to extrude, then scale this, and extrude in. And then maybe, I think this might be too big, but that's fine. Oh my god, what is this device going to represent? I wish I could tell you. I wish I could tell you, Laura. I mean, Mil. But I just don't. I need to blow my nose. Give me a fucking second. Oh my god, my allergies. I'm so mad. Why are they so bad? Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. Oh, I feel so much better now. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm not happy with this. I'm really unhappy with the design of this, and I'm not sure how to fix it. Because it needs to be big enough for you to see through all the bullshit filters I put on my game, right? So it needs to be big and recognizable. What would that be? What would that look like? Just a fucking blob? Should this be like a wobbly blob? I could probably make that work. Right? Are you okay, sir? No. Do you need mommy? Yes. Please. Summon. Thank you. I would appreciate. Let's see. S-Y. Screwed like that? And then it's just like a barrel that comes out of like a floaty thingy. Like, I want it to be like a drone. But, that's like a lot of work and I don't really want to do that. Okay. Like that, GY. We can make that, set that to like 0, right? Or at 0? No way. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, man, I don't know. I wish there was like a square tool to make this square some way, somehow. In item, edit, loop tools. There's a circle here, but I don't want it to be a circle. I want it to be a square. How would I do that? Flatten? No, I think I just go from this point to this point. I do right here, and I do SC0. I go from this point to this point. I do SX0. Oh, this is gonna look so hideous. Oh my god, this is awful. This is awful. Come on. Do you need a flashlight? A flashlight? Don't at me. A flashlight. A flashlight might be the move, honestly. God, this is. I hate this. I hate this. What am I doing? What is this even gonna look like? What the hell is this? What am I looking at? I'm just gonna make a flashlight. You're so fucking right. Okay, like this, and then boop. That's kind of flashlighty. GY, move it out. Maybe smooth this a little. Bevel it once. Maybe there will be a hole in the wall, and maybe the player transforms into a cube, or is what? Stream is lagging. Who's lagging my stream? Y'all. Okay, then like this, maybe. What the hell is this? What the hell even is this? I need to. What do I do with this? Can I bevel this vertex? Oh, it's so ugly. It's so ugly. It's so ugly. Everything is so hideous. Is there a way I can dissolve these faces? Dissolve faces. Okay. Okay, there is. There's literally something called dissolve faces right here. Dissolve faces. Dissolve these faces. No, just these. Dissolve faces and then dissolve these faces. It's bad. Yeah, the stream is weird sometimes. I don't know. It's also my computer sucks. I did the thing I didn't want to do. Dissolve faces. This is peak. What the fuck am I looking? This is not peak. A trumpet? This is not what a trumpet looks like. This is something else. This is not a trumpet. This is wacky as hell. Okay, what is this position? This is, I need XZ. I can't memorize that X and Z. I want to move this vertex here and move this vertex down, but now I can't. So I need to, okay, this, I guess they're on the same Z already. So I just need to memorize the X. So grab this X, move this guy down, and then move this to the X of where it should be, and then connect this right here. Fill, delete this face, and then delete this face, and then don't start with this bullshit. There we go, fixed. Okay, all right. And then this, boom, 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 bam, and then can I get rid of all these vertices, please? Actually, that'd be nice. That'd be nice if I could clean up. Is there a dissolved vertices? There has to be. There it is. Oh, hell yeah. And then I do it for these. Dissolve vertices? Ooh. Ooh, dissolve vertices. Oh my god, my life when dissolve vertices exists. Fucking peak. That should make the sound of a dog that run into the cartoony walls and say, what is good? Wait, that should make the sound of a dog that run into a cartoony wall and says, now snuff. What? What the hell is, oh my god. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. First of all, we're gonna bevel these edges, because beveling just makes things look a little better sometimes. That did not improve anything. Everything still looks like garbage. Okay, here's what else improves things. Auto smoothing. Okay, smoothing. What is this? I hate this. I hate this part right here specifically. Circle? That's a little better. Maybe. I need it more beveled though. You know, like I need it more smooth. Can we do that? Can I get some more smooth? Can I get some smooth? That's what I need. I need a smooth emote in chat. Okay, it's pretty smooth. This needs to be a bit smoother though. There we go. That's smooth. Dookie on me. Don't mind me. Dookie on me. What the fuck? Okay, this needs to be circle again. Circle time. Circle time. I love how smooth that is, though. That's really nice. Now time to fuck up with the decimate modifier. Decimate. Let's go ahead and decimate it. Wait a bit. Cause I want it. Yeah, well, I mean, how far can I decimate before it, like, it's really bad? Like, I could, I don't know. Like, this is pretty good. That's a pretty good compromise. 0.35, perhaps? Yeah. Yeah, this looks like it emits laser. Here's the other issue. Sir, what atrocity are you making? It'd be like, oh, I see hacks. Telestis S-dots and last server that. No, I think Telestis is a Twitch person. I think it's so fun. We talk about this all the time. I thought like there's a weird like fusion of motherfuckers who come into my chat, like the hacks programming language server people, Twitch people, and then and then the old YouTube stream people. But no, yeah. Hacks is the programming language I'm using to develop this game, Telestis. But yeah, okay, here's what I'm talking about. I can't make this too big, because if it's just too much of a thing, you can just jump over it. And I don't want that. I don't want that to be a thing. I hope. I pray and I beg, love me, say that you love me. Oh, I want to fucking put a thing on this. I'm gonna do it. What do I mean? I don't know. Extrude, scale, G, and then finally circle. Oh. G, Y, scale Y. I mean, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good circle from a rectangle. Look at that. Look at that. And then I extrude from this, and then I have a little like what you call it thing that makes it go like, you know what I mean? So it flies around like a, you know what I mean? Like a little right. Okay. This is why motherfuckers put the English only in their chats. Soy racista? What? Like, my God. All right. Okay. All right. Y'all are, yeah, okay. Do I have to add this in chat? Do I? Photogenic. Oh my God. Thank you. You've come to save the day. Holy shit. You're riding. Oh, go ride moment. Oh, you already walked off. Okay. Feels bad. No. Yes. My favorite person, Photogenic, is here. Bum. How are you gonna texture this? Oh yeah, you already asked me that. Okay, I don't know. I just make everything one color and hope for the best. I don't really worry about texturing too much. Yep. I need to make blades. What would you make a blade from? I guess a cube. A cube is good enough. That's the lesson for today. A cube is good. I need the center point to be like right here. Cause it actually like spins around the center. It goes like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, fellow gamers? When the gamers go, you know what I'm saying? GY Laser W? Sir, best streamer. Oh yeah. Sorry, I mean I'm not the best streamer. I missed like 3 streams in a row. I was busy. Photogenic. I guess I remix the explanation. I was busy. You don't understand. I wasn't busy. I totally could have streamed. I just fucking had momentum on a different project. You know how it be. But not again. Never. How do I fucking make blades for like a fan? Fan blades? I don't know. They need to be curved, right? And like kind of circular and not pointy like this at all. And they need to be flat. They need to be flat as hell. Like this, I guess. And then this somewhat. I don't know. That's kind of bladey a little. I need to be thinner towards these edges. Like that. GZ down. There we go. And that's kind of sharp. Maybe I should rotate it, actually. Bam. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I should probably merge these right at the end. That's good. No worries. Yes, again, you need inspiration for your project. Take creative breaks as well as normal breaks. It wasn't a break. I was fucking doing work. I was working on something else completely unrelated, but it was not breaky at all. You cannot stop me. True. Probably focus on another area of the game. No, never, never, ever. Okay, can you make this fan way bigger? I'm not a fan of the way it looks. Scale just on the Y though. Ooh, that's fanny as shit. That is fan maximizing. Okay, that's good. And then I just need to rotate this around the center. Is there a thing for that? Array. But what if I want to like rotate around the fucking center like I just said? Object offset, merge, UVs. Is there anything for this? I have no idea what's going on. God, we're making a fucking fan on top of this device, so it goes like it flies around. Blender. Object offset maybe? I don't know. Whoa! Okay, no, let's not use object offset. Constant offset? I don't know how to do this. Blender, array, modifier, rotate. Rotating each iteration of array modifier. And they're saying create an empty origin, disable offsets on the array, enable object offset, rotate the empty, and move it up a little so it matches your helix. Oh, okay. It sounds like a kid explaining something, laugh my fucking ass off. Yeah. No, it goes like, don't describe it. It flies around. It goes like, okay. Add empty. Why did I add an empty to this? That doesn't make any sense. No. Add. Where is it? Empty. Oh, here we go. Empty. Okay, I'm gonna call this fans. I'm gonna call this laser shooter, and then I gotta name that for the group as well. Fans. Okay, I'm not a fan of that. This would be. I'll call this laser shooter in here for now. Dot blend. Saved as blend file. Moonside, greetings. Empty. What is up? We're talking about the boom. You know what I mean? Oh man, what is up, everyone? Holy shit! You got a pretty full chat. Oh, hey, Turbo. Where was Turbo in here? What the fuck? Did I miss Turbo? Oh, Turbo's orange name is oh my god. Y'all's and your fucking same colored names. Turbo, yo, what is up? Greetings. I was like, why do I see 5 goobers in the fucking Twitch interface? But I've only talked to 4. How is everyone? I'm doing okay. How is you, Moonside Princess? Hope your week is feeling a bit better. I need to move the empty pivot to where the fans is. Let's take this and put down an empty, and then put this right here. Sir, I need your opinion on the pic I just sent you. Okay. Oh my god. All right. Let's see. Who's texting me? I gotta see the. Whoa. Cup noodles, dill pickle. Yo, I love these. Not specifically the dill pickle one, but this brand where they're doing like wacky fucking like ramen flavors. I am so fucking into them. I love it so much. Oh yeah. How do I show it to chat? I don't. How do? Will the camera focus? Dill pickle. It's too bright. I need to like shift this over to this mode where the sun isn't shining directly on the fucking camera. Oh, it doesn't even matter. You still can't see it. Oh my god, I'm so dark. The green screen gets so fucked. Okay, what if I make this minimum dark brightness and then I do this? That doesn't help at all. That doesn't help at all. The dick pickles. Oh, okay, whatever. It's this brand. They did a s'mores ramen And they did some other wacky ramen. They've been doing wacky ramens for like the past year. And I've tried almost all of them, and they're all great. The s'mores ramen went crazy. No, it wasn't. There was a s'mores one, I think, but there was also like a breakfast one. Is maybe what I'm thinking of. Okay. Who even like pickles? I don't know. Pickles are great. I mean, they're like savory, right? And savory is good in ramen. I mean, I agree. I hate fucking pickles, but pickle flavor stuff is pretty good. So that's what I like. Let's make this the empty. This fucking goddamn hassle casserole, my fucking asshole. These goddamn fucks told me some wrong information. This isn't working. Oh, why did I listen to the internet? Okay. Why would this happen? What did they say to do? They say rotate the empty and rotate the empty. I didn't listen to them fully. Okay, I'm gonna rotate on Y? No, or rotate on X? Rotate on Z? Okay. That works, but why the hell are they scaling down like crazy? What? Why are they scaling like that? Oh my god, can I get a good perspective, please? Okay. Can I make them scale better if I move it closer? That's what I'm trying it. Your opinion doesn't count. How dare you? Why is this happening? Can someone explain to me? Can a scientist come and explain to me why this isn't happening? That'd be nice, thank you. Like, what the fuck? What is this? What is this? Rotate Z. No. I need to rotate the empty. So empty, rotate Z. Like, this should work, but then it's not right. It's not. It's because happening because you're increasing the size. Is it because I have a scale that's not like set? Like I should apply transforms? Oh, photogenic coming with the hype actual like helpful thing. Holy shit! What did I just click? What did I just click? Oh, I went into render mode. Okay. All right. Oh my god, photogenic. That's a big W moment. Oh, there we go. The fans like go. Have you watched Bracky's GDScript in the 11-hour Godot tutorial? That would help 100%. Oh yeah, Moonsides. Still learning Godot's programming language. Yeah. No, yeah, it takes some time, but it's not that bad. GDScript is a pretty good language to start with, I think. It's good. Ads are running. Okay, I cannot stand. Welcome to Bracky's. Oh, Moonside. If you hate Bracky's intro, you'd hate me. You'd hate him running after the ads. Telestus, no! No, it's all good. Go where you must go, Telestus. I shall always be here awaiting you. I'm just gonna have these. I know this is an abstract object. I'm really gonna have it so that it's floating. They're just floating like that. I don't care. Thanks. I'll make sure to tell my pet Rock. Oh, hope you all have a terribly awful day. You know what? Fuck you, Mill. I'm gonna have a great day just because you said that. Let me just rotate these. Which way are blades rotated? Like this way? This way? Because you want the air to go up in it. So you probably want it like this. Right? Fuck, I don't know, man. Shit, what? I've returned from the ads. Godot programming kinda evil, but also that's just because I started on the most complex thing in Godot, actively changing notes. GDScript is great. Y'all are gonna make me fight. Okay. Well, I guess okay. You're back from ads. Tell us. All right, tell us. Have a good day. If you feel free to skedaddle, if you so choose, I shall continue grinding on my laser projector, which I think is almost done. Basically, I just need to color it. Coloring time. This is the base material. It's gonna call base. It's gonna be, I don't know, like a darkish. I can't make it too dark because I need to be visible in the dark scene. Oh fuck, I thought, oh my god, I got you confused with Mill. Shit, my bad. Fuck, Telestus, no, I'm sorry, Telestus, no, wait, I fucked up. Yo, I fucked, that's so embarrassing. I confused someone. Oh my shit, oh no. Oh, okay. Telestus, you said I'm running after the ads. So that's why I thought you were saying you're leaving. So I didn't get it confused. I didn't get it. You said I'm running after the ads. The ads are over. So, I'm not crazy. Can you tell that I'm not crazy? I was only crazy once. Okay, you get the point. You get the point. You get the point. Base. I don't know. We're gonna make the base. Okay, someone pick a color. Whoever puts first color in chat is what this is gonna be colored. Go off. In the meantime, we make the inside dark. Dark. And that's gonna be like a dark color. Green. All right, Moonside. The people have spoken. Green. Microwavable meals, my beloved. I read that as microwavable meatballs, and I was like, fuck yeah. Honestly, I microwave all my meatballs, and it's so good. All right, green it is. Okay, that's good. I don't have a lot of green in the scene, so it should work out perfectly. I was gonna make a grid-based movement game, but the issue is that I have to use raycasters rather than just have simple X and Y do the thing I do in Java. I mean, there's nothing stopping you from doing the X and Y thing you do in Java. I would recommend that. I totally think you have to use raycasters. If you're doing grid movement, totally just do X and Y checks. I think that's totally fine. I don't know. I mean, maybe if you have to you'd have to make your own collision, but as long as you're doing like 2D game, top down, that's fine. What kind of green is this gonna be? It needs to be like a gross dark green. Like a military green, you know? Like that. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I need to give it like a loop color right around here. Like make it... Oh my god. Okay, there we go. And then there we go. And then make these white. Okay, so I'm gonna call this stripes. Assign those there. What? Oh, no, the decimate! The decimate be decimating my fucking color. Oh, come on, decimate. Decimate moment. That's fine, actually. They added too much dill to this new... Meatballs drooling. The photogenic. Oh my god. Green booger color. Hell yes, Telestis. Fuck yes. They added too much dill to this. Yeah, evil des... Yeah. Yeah, they need to add like color. I need to add like different colors for here. So that these are like different indicated, because it's not going to have any lighting on it. So I need all the colors to do all like the sort of quote unquote lighting for me. So I'll make the base, I don't know. I'll call this box. And then I'll do this, assign. It's gonna get like a lighter green. That works. And then I can make this back part like dark again. Make it like a darker green. Darker green, even darker than before. Let's first assign that, and then let's figure it out. You know, no, fuck it. Let's add some contrast. Let's make it like... No, I'll add contrast with the you know what I mean? So I won't add the contrast there. I'll add it there. Put that down. Okay. If you color while decimate is active, will it help? Yes. But not really. Yes, but not really. Because I'll still be restricted to the restriction that decimate is experiencing right now, which I don't really mind too much about. I guess hue it up a little. I mean, it's okay. It's shooting a laser, right? So the back should be like red to represent that it's like shooting a laser out of its ass. So let's go ahead and make this like a circle, actually. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, okay. I see. That was a cook moment. Can I pull this out a bit? GY, and then bevel, and then there. And it's kind of like a firefly almost. I wish it was a bit more circular though. Yeah, but this is fine. I like that. That's pretty good. This needs to be less vibrant. Yeah, like that. And then that adds contrast to the pole right here. And then... Ooh, the triangle. What's up? Glad I caught your stream. Hey, welcome. Hey, what's it going? Oh my god. Yeah, hell yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. No, it's nice to see you here. Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Laser out the rear, not the no, it's gonna come out the spout, but like it's like gonna glow when it shoots the laser. If you get the colors for this, make the laser. No, the laser's gonna be red no matter what. But yeah, nice to see you here. Is it the? I guess it is just the triangle. Triangle. Trying the angle. Huh? We're trying, and that's what really matters in the end. Why can't I go in the? Oh, I am in X-ray mode. I just got confused. Scale Y, moving something like that. GY. Okay, there we go. That should be good. But now I'm trapped in the kitchen. I need P. What? What is it? If you don't let me out, I'm gonna pee on the floor. They immediately unhinged the comments from the triangle. You love to see it. You love to see it. Let's go. I don't know what the fuck to make these. I guess I could reuse the stripe. Make them white for some contrast. Oh my god. Awesome, give me 10,000 of those. What are those? Okay, all right, enough of the brain rot. Let's get back to work. Where did I put this model? Visual assets, Blender, Lab World, common. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I feel it coming. I'm never sneezing again. I'm never sneezing again. I'm never sneezing again. I have never sneezed in my life. Okay, I held it back with the pure willpower of never sneezing. Laser shooter.blend. Here it is in Godot. Okay, so let's export this. What the fuck? What happened? What the hell happened to my mesh? It looks good here. What the fuck? Yo! What'd they do to my boy? Oh no, there's some weird transformy shit going on. Okay, back to Blender after all. Didn't I apply all the transforms? Okay, so it was a rotation, I guess. Apply all transforms. Okay, that fixed a lot of decimating. What's chat? Join me, brethren. Together we shall free ourselves from the shackles of indignity. For we, peas. Holy shit, the crown is rainbow where the outline hits. What? Where? The crown is outline? Is rainbow where the outline hits? That sounds awesome. Huh. Is it? Let me zoom in closer. Let me. Okay, move your fucking message out of the way so I can look. I guess it kind of does. It does reflect light in a cool way. I'm gonna drop. Get down there. Okay. I love how I can do that. Okay, stop. Y'all distracted me. Laser shooter. Is this fixed now? Laser shooter.blend? That actually was so good. Okay, bring this back up and then bring this back up. Gold? I must have the goldy gold? Yeah, well, you can tell us this with a low price of like $6. I gotta say, I hate how you can't change your Twitch sub price. I wish that. I mean, you're kind of like, you're yellow. You're like the same color as your name, at least from what I can see. Enable this. Oh, I forgot to copy the path. Okay, copy this. God, why am I lime green? Oh, I hate that green, actually. The photogenic, go back. You have to go back. Laser shooter. And then I'll call this. What am I gonna call this? I'm just gonna call it laser shooter fans. That's what makes sense to me. Laser shooter fans, and then re-import. And now we have these objects. We can drag them in here. Oh my god, it's so big. And the materials are wrong. Oh, I don't want to fix some materials. I don't want to fix them. Don't make me fix them, please. I gotta fix them. I hate this. Is my least favorite part of everything. I need to make a tool for this. That'd be so hype. Do I make the tool? Chat, do I make the tool to automate this process so I don't suffer in the future? Do I do it right now? Don't make the tool. Don't make the tools. Whoever first answers what I do. How about this one? Oh, I like that orange. Do not make the, oh, thank you. Oh, photogenic. Oh, saving me. Okay. All right, time to suffer the other way. So now I just need to save all these materials individually and then create, oh my God, photogenic. I should probably make the tool. I was kind of expecting you to tell me to make the tool. I know what you mean though, right? Because with making the tool, make the tool. Oh, let's go to my tools folder. Okay, new file. What am I gonna call this? I don't know, man. Normal material to custom exporter.hx, and then this is gonna be like a node. Normal material to custom exporter extends node. Ooh, I like the color a lot. Wait, photogenic, I love that orange on you. You look great. It reminds me of like an orangey. No, don't say. No, it's like an orangey like popsicle, right? Or like an orange, like a creamsicle, I guess. That's what I think of when I see that. Why'd you have to say skin color? You're a fleshy goober. Var mesh instance 3D. Yeah, see, like a cream soda popsicle. Yeah, exactly, right? You look delicious. I would eat you if I could, but I can't I? I could just put you in front of my face, right? And then go, oh, I can't because my fucking character has like a weird system where it's always on top of everything. I genuinely can't. Tell us just joining the skin color gang. Let's go. Okay. What is happening? Oh no! I love how it's like started a fashion statement thing where now you can choose your fashion for the day live on camera. Okay, mesh instance. How do I do the tool button? This. I do this. I need to like open dialogue to choose where I export these materials though, which is gonna be a real hassle. Like that's like peak hasslage. Like if you want to talk about the casseroles, man, you want to talk about fucking casseroles. Opening a dialogue and saving the materials is maximum casserole. Okay. Export default materials. Okay, and I'm gonna call this export default materials from mesh. And let's call this the action, and then put this here. I really need to find a better way to do this than just doing untyped GD script. But I'm lazy, and I don't know how. Okay, what is chat saying? It's kind of the same color as the crown, not gonna lie. Meat color, very espresso, more than the yellow. Should I give my doggos the pickle ramen? They are asking for it. I don't know. I don't know if that's safe for doggos, photogenic. I mean, surely they can eat pickles, right? I feel like there's a lot of random shit they put in ramen that you gotta be careful of. Ramen is just like the chemical, is like the food equivalent of just like random chemicals in a food. Does that even make sense? What the fuck am I saying? You're gonna hate me, but I'm the yellow-green color. I like yellow-green. I'm kind of a fan of it. Pickle color, true. Okay, how to open dialogue for folder in Project Godot. File dialogue. Oh, don't make me make it a node. Why would you make me make it a node? Why? Why the fuck is a file dialogue a node? You've gone too far, Godot. It's supposed to be a static singleton that I just call upon. Why the fuck would I? Oh, I don't want it to be a node. Please don't make me make it a node. I gotta make it a node. Oh my God. I don't want it to be a node. That's so disgusting. It's probably, oh my, okay. That is unacceptable. I need to dynamically make it a node, basically. So file dialog equals new file dialog, FD, final destination, hahaha. access equals what? File dialog access dot resources is what I want, and then fd dot what did I see there? File dialog underscore file mode. So I need to do fd dot file mode. This is assigned to this dot. I want folders. Open dir. Okay, and I need to add this as a child. Do I even need to add it as a child? You've gone too pickled. We have to perform an extraction. Can I put that? Oh my god, I missed so much. Pickle color. Dogs can't eat pickles. They are already made of 60% pickle. Are you gonna eat that? What? Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? You've gone. Yep. Held a message for reasons sex-based. Oh, that's the fucking mod. Dynamic nodes suck balls. Photogenic. Automod, fuck you. BRB. No, don't take my vinegar sauce. Yeah. Yep. Give me that bottle of vine. Guys, I don't want to use file dialog. Does that have to be added to anything? Can I just pop up right here? No, it has to be, doesn't it? Add child. FD. And then I need to use signals. It won't even block. It won't even block, dude. It won't even fucking block. Okay. That means I need to store the file dial. I hate this. I fucking hate this. Godot. The rare Godot L. You hate to see it. Function on folder selected. Now I need to get the folder here. And that gives me a directory. So dir of type string. Strong. What? Godot, what? Okay, no, it's not even good. It's a hacks moment. Connect file dialog to the callable of create this on folder selected. There we go. And then what? Oh, crap, you're right. It needs to be dir selected as the signal. And file dialog dot pop up. There we go. And then in here I can do remove child file dialog, and then file dialog dot queue free, and then file dialog equals null. Okay, so now I have the file dialog cleared from. Oh my god, guys, what are you talking about? Suck ball. Okay, give me some of that bottle of wine. They're too scared of the people. Generally, I don't think this ramen was made for human consumption. Like, it was way too much dill. Photogenic, if you can't handle that much dill, were you really about the dill to begin with? That's all I'm saying. Like, me personally, if I loved pickles, if I loved putting pickles in my mouth, I don't care how much pickle was in my pickle ramen, I would fucking eat that shit and it'd be so good. That's what I like about that ramen too. It's that it's not just like they make basic ass ramen and they just like label it something weird, but then it just tastes like normal ramen. No, they make opinionated ramen. And that's what I can appreciate, is when a brand goes the extra mile to make their fucking wacky flavor actually wacky and disgusting as shit. That's all I'm saying. That's all that I am saying. That's my personal opinion. Flavor Town, but in an evil way. Would an evil Flavor Town be Blandville? No. Oh, there's way worse things than Blandville. Too many of one flavor. You just aren't a true fucking pickle connoisseur like I am. Not. Because I said I don't like pickles. But I do like pickle. I like pickle. I like pickled chips and like pickle fries and like pickle seasoning. I feel like I totally like the ramen. I'm gonna try the ramen, Photogenic. Flavor Town is greater than all of us. You must be willing to embrace the dill. Embrace the glorious dill. On folder selected, pop up, remove child. Okay, so I have the directory now. And so what do I do with this? I have to iterate through the mesh. So file mesh equals mesh instance dot mesh for m in mesh dot get surface count. Okay. 0 ... I need to create a new material for each of these. And then what am I gonna call it? Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, I should want to make this retain. Retain mesh material override of retainer. Okay, there we go. And so for all the surfaces, I create a new shader material. With a new shader material. Shader material dot shader is gonna be equal to a single color. Let's go back over here. Code. Game. No, not game. It's not even in GDScript. It's shaders. Single color. Copy this path. I bought 3 because I thought I'd like the flavor. Well, good luck, Photogenic. You better enjoy them. Oh, that's a bit. Oh, I'm sorry. Back to the usual red. Photogenic lost the passion for pickles. We are back to red. Damn. Static final single color shader. Now I'll just donate to. Oh, okay. Hell, it makes someone else suffer. Suffer for their crimes. I wish I could take them off you. I feel like I'd totally destroy the pickle ramen. Like, absolutely obliterate the pickle ramen. No fucking way. No competition. Shader material set shader parameter to this. I mean, to get the existing shader, not the shader, the existing material. Standard material 3D is equal to mesh get surface. No, I need to get material. Here it is, surface get material. My God. Okay, I need to blow my nose. Give me a second. But I will never, ever, ever sneeze again. Maybe that's why I'm having problems, because I never sneeze. No, that can't be it. It must be the children that are wrong. Okay, so if this exists, this is why you need this. No, that's not the reason. That's not the reason. Sneezing, I'll never sneeze again. I should probably do it this way, actually. If this is equal to null, continue. And then I assign the color from shader material.albedo color. Okay. There we go. There we fucking go. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then we have to export this shit. We have to save the shader material. Okay, resource saver dot save, and this is the resource. Finish the whole thing, guys. Are you proud of me? I am. Good job, Photogenic. Good job. I'm so proud of you. 2 more to go. No, it's okay. I really wish I could take them off your hands though. Now to wash it down with a can of half tea, half lemonade. Ooh, that does sound delightful. I hate tea, but maybe when mixed with lemonade, I'd enjoy it more. Boom. So I have deer, and then, I don't know, plus / what do I call this? What do I name this? Does this have a name? I guess I'll name it by the index. / exported shader. They should have names. I don't know if I can access them. Maybe I can? Mesh get... nothing's auto-completing. Of course nothing's auto-completing. Mesh get surface. No, there's no get surface name, tragically. Which types of tea have you tried? Because some are basically fruit soup. None, basically. I have not, but you are right. There are like ones that are just basically juice. So that's fair. That's valid. But look, is it really? I don't call it tea then. In my head, tea is like unsweetened and like gross. And like the fucking 99-cent big large tea you'd get at McDonald's, and I'd sip it and be like, ew, it's tea. And then I'd be like, why did I get this? Because I'd be like, it was 99 cents for infinite drink with no calories or something. I don't know. It's basically water. Tea doesn't have to be bitter, but I'm bitter about it, and that's what you must understand. Okay, let's just try this code and see if it works. Where's my compile? Here it is. Compile. I like honey in the tea. Oh, that's fair. That is fair. I like when I'm leaning down like this. It looks like I'm so tiny now. I am tiny. Ugh. I am small. Look, I can barely fit in my chair. Bum, bum, bum. Especially lemon in my tea. My favorite summer drink. Oh, that does sound so good. Get added. Get added. Get added, everyone who isn't photogenic. Let's see if this works. Failed to load script. Why don't you fucking shoot my balls off? What is it called? What did I call this? Normal material. What the I didn't even capitalize this. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. I am disappointed in myself. Now I'm gonna have to reload this. Importer, whatever. Yeah. Compile it. Compile max. You can also sun bleach tea to get rid of bitter flavor. Huh. Interesting. It's not going to do here. So what did I call this? No. Okay, this is bad because I don't remember this name at all. Normal material. This is such a horrible name for a node. Why is the output giving me shit? Tool button's going to be used in tool scripts. I didn't make it a tool script. Okay. Time to recompile the whole thing. Literally just sitting it out in the sun in a closed container. Huh. That sounds kind of fun. Sun flavored tea. The power of sun within. Did this recompile yet? Okay, cool. I might need to restart. No, there it is. Perfect. And then mesh instance is going to be its parent. Please just let me choose the parent. I guess not. Okay, laser shooter. What? Oh, because laser shooter's in a retain. Change type. Retain. There we go. And then I have to select this. Assign. Why do I not see all the ones that I want though? Normal. Wait, what? What? Why can't I choose that? Why can't I choose this laser shooter? It's a material override retainer. Yeah. And this is a material override retainer, right? What the hell? What an asshole. Oh, I need to turn off show all. Okay. And then I filter to laser. There it is. Okay, cool. The container must be partially see-through with the photogenic. The container must be partially see-through for it to work, guys. I have fallen for the trap before. I thought that is really hilarious. That is wild. Pika ramen? I love oh, Miku. Are you having, no, I think just Pikachu's having ramen. Did I say Miku? Moon. Oh, Moon, are you having ramen? It'd be like that sometimes. Export default. Oh no. Output. Why didn't that work? Oh god, why didn't this work? Oh, that's scary. It's adding nodes I don't consent to in my runtime. Why does this work? I need to restart the button. It's probably not assigned properly. Okay, hopefully nothing throws up. Did you spruce it up with egg or chicken? Because I love to do that. Yeah, I put egg in mine all the time now. If there's no egg, it's not. No, it's even the point. Eggless. Explodes. Hooray! Reconnected perfectly. Okay, cool. Cool. It's cool. Please load. Please save. Please load. Please save. Please save. Please load. Okay, saving scene. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I get it. You're saving. Cool. See if I care. Export default materials. It did nothing. It just did nothing, dude. It did nothing. What? Why is it doing nothing? It's not even an error. This is the first time I've encountered this. No error in console after I clicked button confirmed? This is something else. This is next level errors. What? What? Is it because it's a child of a thing? I don't know. Simple mistake. I don't make mistakes, Moonside. I am a master of all. So this must be someone else's mistake. It can't be my mistake. True, after runtime errors come logic errors. I hate logic errors. I never made a logic. If it's never my fault. It's never a logic error. I can just set this up so I cache the compiling so it takes way slow, faster, whatever. So it isn't as slow. CD this. Once you see these nuts, I got them. Okay, sorry. Wait, and then hacks, compile, connect. Okay. There we go. And while that's working, I trace in here, so now I should see something if something happens. It does. It does. Oh my god, this is making me so upset. Okay. What else to do? What else to do? I don't know what to do. File dialogue is such an asshole for this, you know? File dialogue is such a fucking asshole for doing this to me. Okay. Okay. Let me look it up some more. How to make file dialogue temporary appear and removed when done. Godot. Okay, but like, all these are just saying like, yeah, just add the file dialogue as a, it's like, yeah, I know. I knowed. Obvious. Okay, here's one that says connect. Okay, and to do all this. This is literally what I'm already doing though. I'm literally already doing this. After several minutes, there is still urine on the floor. Appa's lack of maintaining even this inadequate enclosure frames you as negligent. I have therefore drafted a petition for the freeing of myself and the imprisoned kin. Who else shall sign with me? Yo, there will be no overthrowing while I'm here. Okay, yes, you just have to sit there for a bit until Papa's done with streaming. Unfortunately, okay. It's because I'm not doing pop-up centered. This says pop-up centered, but I don't think it matters. Break the fence, break the fence, break the fence. No, not the fence. No. No one needs to break the fence. The fence is good. The fence is okay. Everyone loves the fence. The fence is wonderful. Moonside princess, don't lick up all the pee. Oh, okay. What did I even do? I didn't turn the pop-up center. It didn't work. Oh, I'm so mad. What the hell do I do to make this work? Do I set the owner, maybe? That's all I can think of. Dot owner. This is such a Godot moment, dude. This is a maximum Godot moment. The tyranny should not stand. Get edited root. Get tree. Get edited scene root. Is that what I need? Is that what I do? Oh, do I run it? I always forget how to do that properly. Please work. Okay, I added the file dialogue there, but it's not popping up. Is there different for tool scripts? Oh my god, it might be different for tool scripts. Okay. How to do for tools? Like, how would I word this? Like that? How would I make... Okay. Okay, how to do that? Okay. Oh! This is saying added to the editor root? Does that matter? I don't think that matters too much. I don't understand. Oh! Guys, there's a fucking editor file dialog. Wait, what? Editor file dialog is an enhanced version of file dialog only available with editor plugins. Additional feature. Oh my fuck. Guys. Design property for native dialogues. They use native dialogue. Okay, but like, is it just a file dialog isn't this the same as file dialog though? I'm still gonna have the same issues where I can't get it to work? I don't know. I don't understand. Is the fence broken? I just saw 3 kick redeems. Nope, not yet. Continue your pissy shenanigans. Editor file dialog. And then I gotta replace all these. Boom. Bop. A bizzity wop. Why won't you pop up centered? I am going to fucking scream if this doesn't work. Photogenic, you're so right. Why did I decide to do this? Yeah, every time I do any tooling or any future proofing, it always comes down to some random bullshit. It's not even my fault. Oh, it worked. It worked this time. It totally worked. Oh, Turbo's kicking. Oh, Turbo, you missed. Damn. Hate to see it. The kicks are still so inaccurate, even in low latency mode. Oh, you hate to see it. It must be so fucking brutal. Oh, Photogenic. Oh, I'm just watching you turn randomly. I really need to add manual movement to this world. Oh. Oh, was that a hit? Okay. Okay, now that I've done this, I need to go to visual assets, materials, what would this be? World? Lab? Yeah, laser shooter right here. Laser shooter. Shooter, I hardly know her. And then, did it export? Did it actually work? Oh, you are close to be able to PS freely. Okay. Scene specific. No, I need world stuff, right? Materials. I'm so invested. I have to focus. I have to stay focused. Laser. Oh, here's my export. Oh my god, look. Okay, guys, this is what happened. So your materials in Godot, like when you import a mesh, it imports all your materials. But then the materials are standard materials, but I want to have them as shader materials, so it uses my custom shader that I use for all my fucking stuffs. And so I just wrote a script that gives me a file dialog that lets me choose a folder that exports all the shaders as my custom shader instead of the standard one that I can use for this thingy. So yeah, I did it. Yay. I'm gonna call this. Okay, now I gotta name them all. Laser shooter. Oh, it's broken. Freedom. Let's go. Let's go! Photogenic, did you release everyone? You know what that means? You know what that means, Photogenic. Give me you. For your crimes, I place you in the bin. I place you in the bin for as long as I want. The rest of you, I'm keeping an eye on you. You better not move. Trying to escape to the jail cell you shall go. There needs to be a system where you can free someone from jail. Not just a redeem. You need to do something in the world. Maybe a button or something. I don't know. You can kick the jail free. You kick through the fucking the things, and these whatever you call these down here. These things, and then the cabinets. And then you can break the jail open. Collect food. Yeah, you guys need to eat your bananas. I feel a burp coming. Oh, God. At least I'm not the burp, but I can't never sneeze. Never, ever, ever sneeze. Okay. Focus. God damn, you guys stop distracting me. Imagine if you could break the ramp. That'd be crazy. No, unfortunately, Triangle, my whole interface is so fucking early in development. I really need to, make everything interactable. I want everything to be kickable. I want everything to I want the world itself. I want the floor to be breakable. I want just so many things to be destructible. But buddy, you need to sneeze. I will never sneeze, Photogenic. Never again. I will never sneeze ever. Oh god, talking about sneezes making me want to sneeze. Needs a piss mechanic? We can maybe do something like that. I don't know if I can make an actual piss, but I can make it so the goobers drop shards out their butts every once in a while. It's oh no, they just produce just objects. You know? I can get rid of this file dialog. Okay, laser shooter base. Why do you have to reach? Okay, and then laser shooter butt, and then this is laser shooter. A bottom? I don't know. That's not really the bottom though. Laser shooter blades and stripes, and laser shooter inner. Okay, none of those. If we go to laser shooter retain, I forgot to retain the materials. Oh my god, dude. Okay. I could do that here though. Where is it? Mesh instance dot What is it? What is in material? Retain material. No, override materials. So I need to do materials equals this, and then materials dot push the shader material, and then mesh instance. I need to do private access. Private access. This dot override materials equals materials. Now that's assigned automatically. Floor breakable so you can get to max integer distance below the ground. Big int. We get the big int distance. No, we'll never get the big int distance. It takes too long. What is this? What's the issue? It needs to be material. I don't care. I'm just cast it. Okay. My ADHD brain needs a programming language where it ignores runtime errors but will still inform you of them. What? I mean, I don't know. It'd be like this. How would you ignore them but still be informed of them? Oh, I guess like the program still runs, but like you get notified that they occur. So there's some languages like that. I was using some recently. I was kind of like that. I forgot what it was though. Okay. Think. I need to put these into the blend import. That's gonna be so annoying. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Why would I do that? I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm gonna do it. Based. You're based. Visual assets, materials, world, lab, laser shooter. Okay. This is gonna be base, and then dark. Nope, do that. You're gonna be. Hey, come on, give me the right folder at least. Laser shooter. Inner stripes. No, don't. No, actually, can I just put it here? I can. You're gonna be blades and stripes. Box. You're going to be butt inner. Bottom, I guess, and then dark. Why did I call this dark green? It's not dark green. No, it's red. Am I colorblind? This is gonna be butt. Okay, re-import. So my so I'm not gonna have the random object reference, but still runs. Think, Mark. Think. We can be bees. You'll live for 30 years. That's all I know about Invincible. What? We can be bees. I don't know if that happened at all. Okay. Here's my fucking object in the world. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It needs to be like 0.1, and then I move it. There it is. And that's how big it would be in the game, approximately. So I'd put this right. Actually, I'd put this in laser 2, wouldn't I? Let me remove this extractor. Okay. And then I'd position it like there, and then laser 2, I'd move up. There we go, and shooting the laser. It's a fire in my laser. It's a little small. Maybe 0.2? Yeah, that's pretty good. And so this is what it would look. Oh, fuck, I didn't mean to move that. This is what it'd look like. I forgot the blades. I know photogenic. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got you. Yeah, I just remember the B part. And then I have to move this right here-ish. Yeah, that's probably fine. And then there we go. And then I spin the blades by rotating it like this. Woo! Okay. Okay, and then we have laser shooter. It looks so weird. Let's see how it looks in game though. Whee! Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Oh wait, I gotta block the hand. Yep. And then you come through here. It's kind of hard to see the laser. Is that a problem? That might be a problem. Wait a second, it's kind of a problem. Spin me right round, baby, right round. Go around. Oh my god, put it in. I meant to free you from jail, sorry. wait, hold, go over here. I need the other perspective. This. This. And then I grab you from jail. Let me get you out of there. Okay, perfect. Okay, go back. Close this. Go over here. Oh, I love it. Oh. Moonside, try not to have epic emotes. Challenge level impossible. Free cam movement. I really need to fix. I need a way to so you can like grab through the bars of the jail somehow, some way. Yeah, laser shooter. I hate how vibrant that green is. I need to turn that down. This needs to be something else, or it should just be the same color as the other thing. Like if it's just this, I think that's pretty good. But that blends in with the whole thing, and I don't really want that. Can I maybe just make it like white? That could work. That's a good color palette. Okay. Yeah, that's decent. I want the red to glow though. Can we make this emit instead? Quick load, emit. It already knew what I wanted. Like that 2-ish. Yeah. Like 1.5. That'll be good. And then I need, how do I make this rotate? I have like an always rotate thing. I could use that. Okay, laser shooter fans. Always rotate. Offset rotation. I don't know, 10? Or I guess 360? And then repeat upon complete. Speed 1, start enabled. Rotated node is you're gonna be your parent. So laser shooter fans. There we go. Start enabled. And let's see how that looks. This was somehow accepted by Twitch, by the way, so go wild with your emotes, Sird. What the hell is that? This is a bear butt. It really be like that. Go wild. I'll be the judge of that. Are my fan blades even... They are spinning. Look at them spin. You just can't fucking tell because the camera's in like a weird perspective that I'm not accounting for when I do this. That camera also glitched the shit out right there. Did you see that? Oh no, I have a perspective issue. The spin is noticeable, but it's not good enough for me. I'm being picky. I'm being picky. It's noticeable when the camera comes up. That's great, but he has a ding-a-ling? What? How do I zoom in on it? It's so tiny on my screen. Oh, there it is. Oh, so it does. So it does indeed. Okay. Like, look at that. You can barely even see them. How am I gonna fix this? Okay, we gotta do some perspective tricks. Sir, there is no way to make the camera see that spin because of the roof. What about two blades? I think it would notice the spin, but guys. Here's the real solution. We go into the editor and we go like, wait. We go like this. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I love 3D. I don't know, is that too weird? I kinda like it. Celestis, welcome back. Let me kill myself real fast so I can restart. I don't know. It's also gonna be like, it's also gonna be rotating a lot. I could do that. This is, oh fuck, I forgot to block the hand. Okay, sorry, hold on. I'll go right there, jump over that. Block hand, okay. Cause like you can rotate it along that axis. Oh, I fucking didn't mean to trigger that. You can rotate it. If they tilt, they could also move back and forth, thus turning the tilt into a mechanic. By the way, how do we get past the boulder? Photogenic. I talked about this. I love making traps, making solution to traps. I'm not as good at that. But right now, I'm just staring at. I perceive the laser shooter, and it is fun. It is great. I like it because the blades at the top, they need to go way faster. And when they go faster, I can make it so they kill you when you touch them, so I don't have to worry about the player like jumping over it or anything. Always rotate. Let's make the speed 2? No, 3? Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, it definitely looks like it'll kill you. Okay, maybe not that fast. Maybe like 2.5-ish. Maybe 2? Okay. There we go. Make a hole in the wall so you can hide and go. Can you just crouch and go? No. I mean, technically, yeah, but you can't crouch under here and then the boulder. Oh my god, you could crouch under the fucking boulder. That's not intentional. You're not supposed to crouch under that boulder. No, the hitbox is way too generous. Oh, that's so fucking funny. Okay. All right. Okay, in terms of visuals, this is perfect. I like this. Ooh, make the boulder has a collision. It does have a collision. Watch, if it hits me, I explode. Just that, like, I put the collision box really deep in there because I want it so that the player's head should be inside the boulder when they get crushed. It should look like you're actually getting crushed, right? I forgot to hit. Oh my god, that is such an annoying trap. That is a really annoying trap. Holy shit. Yeah, do the hand thing. Okay. And then, I mean, this is fine. This is good enough. I need to add a kill box to these blades. Kill fans, kill box, explode, start stable, and kill them. All these are good. And I'll give it the crushed splat effect. And then collision shape. Make that a rectangle, and then expand. Expand. Perfect. I think I'm gonna expand this way a bit. Yeah. Maybe I should make it a bit more generous. 12, and then 3, and that should be good. Although I'm kind of afraid to hit the corner, so maybe I should do 10. Okay. All right. I'm also sorry to say, my lovely fellow gamers, tragically and unfortunately, let me block this hand. I should die to this. Oh, perfect. It needs to be way more generous though. Let's make it like 5 by 5. So I really have to be in those blades. There we go. Boom. Block this. Perfecto espresso. Woo! Oh yeah, you really touched the blades there. Okay, perfect. Yeah. You fucking asshole! God damn it, this fucking hand! And I developed it. Imagine how annoying it's gonna be when you're actually playing the game. Oh, the hand is so fucking funny. I like how it boosts you a little. So you trigger this alarm, and then you get trapped in there. Okay. Okay. Can you jump over this? You can't. All right, this is a good stopping point. I have stuff I gotta do today. I gotta go eat Thai food with friends. So, I guess that about rounds it up for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Photogenic, Turbo, Mill when you were here earlier, Moonside, the Triangle. Thank you for stopping in for the first time, and then of course Telestis. You, I always appreciate no matter what. Thank you for the hype up. But alas, I must wait. Someone following? That's screaming. Oh, I see. I don't know. Let's look around a bit. The piss revolution shall be remembered. It shall. It shall be. What do we got here? Help me finish my game. DCX. Oh, interesting. Man, where are all the? Okay, undo that. Do this. How do I refresh the filters? But yeah, I don't know. Next time I'm gonna make this so lasers move and stuff. Like they move around and they need to go up and down and do like the whole fucking Resident Evil reference I was talking about. Where they turn to like a grid and go bzzz. That'd be funny. How do you dodge a grid? I don't know. I just design traps. I don't design solutions to them. I don't. Yeah. There's some adjustments. Game development, UE 5. Ooh. It's fun. Fun. Yeah, let me do the real test. No, it's not even appearing. Okay. Okay, you can dismiss. Or I didn't mean dismiss. I just meant to. Whatever. Fine. Whatever. I don't know. Who are all you people? We'll just go. Where is it? Unreal Engine 5 development. That has to be fun. Start raid. All right. Oh, fuck the raid message. Ooh. Okay, these are the raid messages. First one's for if you're not a subscriber. Second one is if you are a subscriber. Don't copy the whole thing. Do not fucking copy the whole thing. I swear to God. Ah! I should probably copy mine. Okay, right now. All right. Okay, shut off this music.
Oh, hello.
Greetings!
We live in the 3D.
We live in a they're making a 3D game. It's perfect. We love to see it. Anyway, see you later, bot watchers or stragglers or whatever the fuck. I don't know. Can you like avoid the raid somehow? I don't know.